The Battle of Raigad in 1674 is a significant event in the life of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the founder of the Maratha Empire. This battle occurred during a critical phase when Shivaji was expanding his kingdom and consolidating his rule over various regions in western India. In 1674, Shivaji Maharaj was formally crowned as the Chhatrapati, Emperor of the Maratha Empire at Raigad, a strategic fort located in the present-day Raigad district of Maharashtra, India. The Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, who was ruling over a vast empire, saw Shivaji's growing influence as a threat and decided to put an end to his expanding power. Aurangzeb dispatched his trusted general, Shasta Khan, along with a massive Mughal army to capture or subdue Shivaji. Shasta Khan, along with his large force, arrived in the Deccan region and launched an offensive against the Marathas. This prompted Shivaji to abandon his plans for the southern expansion and return to Raigad to defend his capital. Shasta Khan, known for his military expertise, began a siege on the Raigad fort. The fort was perched atop a steep hill, making it difficult to breach its defenses. Despite the challenges, the Mughals tried to encircle the fort and cut off its supply lines. The Marathas, led by Shivaji Maharaj, defended the fort with great determination and courage. During the siege, Shivaji's brave and skilled warrior, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, played a crucial role. Baji Prabhu, along with a small group of Maratha soldiers, was assigned the task of ensuring the safe passage of Shivaji Maharaj and a few of his associates who were planning to escape from the fort to seek reinforcements. On a fateful day in July 1674, as the Mughal forces continued their relentless attack on the fort, Shivaji and his group decided to make their escape. The Mughals discovered their plan and launched a fierce attack on the escape party. Baji Prabhu and his comrades fought valiantly, sacrificing their lives to ensure Shivaji's safe passage. Baji Prabhu held off the Mughal forces at a narrow mountain pass called Ghodkhind, Ganeshkhind, giving Shivaji enough time to flee to safety. Baji Prabhu and his men fought bravely until their last breath, and their sacrifice allowed Shivaji to regroup and eventually counter the Mughal forces. Despite facing immense challenges, Shivaji Maharaj successfully defended the Raigad fort against the Mughal siege. The fort remained under Maratha control, and Shivaji continued to strengthen his empire in the following years. The Battle of Raigad is remembered for the bravery of Baji Prabhu and his comrades, who laid down their lives for their king and the cause of the Maratha Empire. It symbolized the spirit of valor, sacrifice, and determination that characterized the reign of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.